Welcome to Asyn Code. The best way to learn coding is by staying engaged. Like and subscribe for more. Assembly Language Arithmetic Instructions, NASM x86. This program demonstrates how to perform basic arithmetic operations in assembly language, including ADD addition, SUB subtraction, MUL multiplication, DIV division. We will load numbers into registers, perform calculations, and store the results in memory. Data segment, initialize values. Define number 1 equals 10, double word 4 bytes. Define number 2 equals 5, double word 4 bytes. Storage for arithmetic result. Output message. New line character for formatting output. BSS segment, uninitialized storage. Reserve space for a temporary variable. Text segment, executable code. Define the entry point for execution. Addition operation. The ADD instruction performs EX equals EX plus value. Load number 1, 10, into EX register. EX equals EX plus number 2, 10 plus 5, equals 15. Store result, 15, into memory. Subtraction operation. The SUB instruction performs EX equals EX value. Load number 1, 10, into EX register. EX equals EX number 2, 10 minus 5 is equal to 5. Store result, 5, into memory. Multiplication operation. The MUL instruction multiplies EX equals EX asterisk value. Note, MUL is in sign multiplication and stores result in EX. Load number 1, 10, into EX. EX equals EX asterisk number 2, 10 times 5 is equal to 50. Store result, 50 in memory. Division operation. The div instruction performs EX equals EX slash value. The quotient result is stored in EX. The remainder modulus is stored in EDX. Load number 110 into EX. Clear EDX, important before division. EX equals EX slash number 2, 10 divided by 5 is equal to 2. Store quotient, 2 in memory. Printing message using system call, sys_write. Linux provides a system call, sys_write, to print messages. We must store x equals 4, sys_write. X equals 1 stout. X equals address of message. X equals message length. Length of arithmetic operations completed. Address of message in memory. File descriptor, stout equals 1. System call number for sys_write. Call Linux kernel to print message. Print a new line for better formatting. Length of new line character. Address of new line character. System call for sys_write. Print the new line. Exiting the program, sys_exit. Every program must exit cleanly using the sys_exit system call. X equals 1, sys_exit. X equals 0, exit status. System call number for sys_exit. Exit status 0, success. Call kernel to terminate program. End of program. Arithmetic instructions successfully demonstrated. Thanks for sticking around till the end. Like, comment, and subscribe.